Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you have any of the newer Cadillac vehicles that have Google Assistant, in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Google Assistant. Here is how easy this is to do. You can set up navigation. You can set up so many different things here and get a lot of different information. Let's do this. Hey Google, what can I ask you?
Try one of these. You can say, call mom, or read my messages.
And there's a huge list of what you can ask and the commands you can give. You can even say, hey Google, how far can I drive?
You can drive for about 211 miles with the remaining charge.
And there you go. There is one of those things that you can see. That's accurate because we have 211 miles of range left with this Vistic that I'm sitting in right now. And if you're having a bad day, you can do this. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What do you call a belt made of watches? A waste of time.
And you can laugh at Google instead of with Google based on some of these jokes. But that's how simple it is to do. Make sure your volume is turned up high enough where you can hear that. Hear what Google is telling you. But that's how easy it is to deal with as far as Google Assistant goes. Let's just do this. If I wanted to go eat somewhere, I'm going to do this. Hey Google, how far is it to Tokyo's Japanese restaurant from my location?
You are 2.3 miles away from Tokyo Japanese Steakhouse by car.
And there's just some of the examples. Like I say, you can also set up everything with navigation. Let's just do this. Hey Google, give me directions to Tokyo's Japanese Steakhouse.
Tokyo Japanese Steakhouse is 7 minutes from your location by car in moderate traffic.
Can you tell what I'm in the mood to eat for lunch? So there you go. Pretty simple, pretty basic, pretty straightforward as far as how this goes. You can do all kinds of things. But I hope that gives you a little bit of direction. That's not just here in the Vistic, but any modern day Cadillac model that has Google Assistant is going to work the exact same way. If there's a particular tutorial on the Cadillac, any Cadillac model for that matter, or GM model, the Vistic, whatever, that you want to see me do, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.